Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to Khong Driving, and today is Saturday and we are now standing outside the local Toyota dealership, UnitedStar Corporation, Sindra Berhad, and we're going to go inside and see something that's really exciting that's happening today. This just came fresh from the oven and we're going to the door. We're going to open it and here we are. We have before you the all-new Toyota Yaris. Okay, and today is the first time we are seeing it, and this is the I will believe we will be the first to show a video of this, and here it is. Okay, basically what is the Yaris? The Yaris is a Vios without the tail. So Vios without the tail, and that's what it looks like. Now this one is with the optional body kit and it looks really exciting. Something that will go down with the younger people. Now how much does it cost? The Yaris comes in three variants. The J, which is the lowest spec, is selling for 71,888. Then we have the mid spec, which is the E, selling for 77,888, and the top of the line, like this one, which is the G, and it sells for 84,888. Now in comparison, the J is about $6,000 cheaper than the Vios, and it's about 4,000 ringgit, yeah, cheaper than the E version. Okay, the first one is on the J version, is about 6,000 ringgit savings, and on the E version is about 4,000 ringgit, and for the G version there is a saving of about 3,000 ringgit. Now the power plant remains the same. It has the same 1.5 liter engine that pushes out about 106 horsepower and 140 Newton meters of torque, and drive is again to the front wheels, yeah. Now inside, the interior is very much the same as the Vios. So as you can see, it's the same meters and the same instrument panel, plus again. All right, so I don't see the pedal shifters. I was told they're pedal shifters, but never mind, let's continue. Okay, the G version doesn't have pedal shifters, and unfortunately there is no manual, yeah. All three variants are automatic, and the other thing about the seats is the seats are all fabric, okay, and it's mechanical adjustment, although you do get adjustment for height, reach, and also for the rake. Now the steering adjustments are the same. It is only up and down. There is no reach adjustment. So insofar as the power windows are concerned, it is the same. And for the G, you also get auto dimming. Now looking at the back is exactly the same as in the Vios. So the measurements, as far as I know, are exactly the same. This is just the preview, yeah. We have not seen or heard any presentation for anybody. And of course the G version will get 16-inch wheels and rear disc brakes. The other versions will have only drum brakes. Now looking at the boot, let's see the boot. Okay, the one concern many people will have regarding the Yaris is whether the boot is big enough, but you can see here what it appears to me is you can put one very big 30-inch suitcase, and with a bit of imagination, by taking off the tonneau cover, maybe you can put another smaller bag on top and maybe a smaller bag on the side. So it's not so bad as one might imagine. So you can live with it. Plus, okay, if you look at this car now, you will see this is the body kit that's optional, and it costs around 2,800 ringgit to get it fitted on your car as an option. Okay, here's another look at the car. In yellow, it looks pretty good. There are some new colors. There is a red and there's a yellow. So looks good. So anyway, the prices that I've given are estimated only. There's no official price, but so you can go to, I think most Toyota showrooms would have it available, and go and check it out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to press the bell to subscribe. Bye.